Hello my dear students, welcome in maths class. In this class I am going to discuss exercise 5.3 question number 3 part number 6 to part number 10 and question number 4 and 5. So let's start with the question number 3. Sixth part. Given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, find n and an. We have to find the number of terms and then last term. So given A is 2, D is 8, Sn is 90. So now formula of Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 90. So now substitute the values of A and D in this formula here, n by 2, 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. So 2 to the 4 plus 8n minus 8. So 4 minus 8 is coming minus 4. So here it is n by 2, 8n minus 4 is equal to 90. Now 4 is common in the bracket here. So n by 2 into 4, it is 2n minus 1 here. And this 4 and 2 will cancel out. So what is left is 2n into 2n minus 1 is equal to 90. Now we'll multiply, it is coming 4n square minus 2n. And 90 will shift to the left side, minus 90 is equal to 0. Now you see in all the three terms 2 is common here. So after taking common, it is coming 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. And when 2 will shift to another side, it will come 0 upon 2, that is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation and we will solve it by the splitting middle terms. So middle two terms are minus 10n plus 9n. So common from the first two is 2n into n minus 5 plus 9n minus 5. So here n minus 5 is common, so it is coming n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So product of two terms is equal to 0, either first term is equal to 0 or second term is equal to 0. So from here n is equal to 5 and n is equal to minus 9 upon 2. So number of terms can't be the negative, therefore n is equal to 5 is the accepted answer, right answer here. So number of terms are 5. Now we have to find the nth an. So an is a plus n minus 1 into d. Number of terms are 5, so put 5, n is equal to 5 here. A is 2, n minus 1, d is 8. So it is coming 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4 into 8, 32 plus 2 is 34. That is the fifth term, that is the nth term here, because number of terms are 5 here, so we have to find it fifth term. Sixth part is A is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210, find n and d. A is 8, an is equal to 68. So first and last term both are given to us, so we can use the formula n by 2 a plus l is equal to 210. So n by 2 into 8 plus 62, that is 70. So 2 and 70 will cancel out, 2 and 70, so it is coming 35, n is equal to 210, n is equal to 210 upon 35. So n is coming 6 here. Now we have to find here difference. So we will calculate difference by using nth term. So an is equal to 62, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the value of a and n here, that is a is equal to 8, n is 6 minus 1 d. So 8 will be shifted to this side, so 5n is equal to 62 minus d, it is 54, and d is coming 54 upon 5. Next part is an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, sn is equal to minus 14. We have to find n and a. So given is an is 4, d is equal to 2, sn is equal to minus 14. The formula of sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 14. Now I am substituting the value of, this is d here, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 14. We see here there are two variables n and a, and both are not given to us. So give it equation number 1 because we can't solve it now. Now we will use this nth term, an is equal to 4, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1, d is 2 is equal to 4. So it is coming a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4, a plus 2n is equal to 6, and a is equal to coming 6 minus 2n. Now substitute equation number 2 in 1. So when we'll substitute, it is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. So value of a is 6 minus 2n. So after substituting, when we'll solve it, it is coming 12 minus 4n plus 2n minus 2. So 12 minus 2 is 10, minus 4n plus 2n is minus 2n, n by 2 into 10 minus 2n is equal to minus 14. So 2 is common here, so 2 and 2 will cancel out, it is coming 5n minus n square is equal to minus 14. And now I'm shifting all the terms to the right hand side, it is coming n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. So we can write it as like this way, n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now again it is a quadratic equation and we will solve it by splitting middle terms. So middle two terms are minus 7n plus 2n. So it is coming n into n minus 7 plus 2 into n minus 7. So n minus 7 is common here, so it is coming n minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. So product of two terms is equal to 0, either first term is equal to 0 or second term is equal to 0. So n can't be the negative here, so this value is neglected and the answer is n is equal to 7. So after finding it 7, we have to find the first term also, a also. So if put this value in equation number 2, that is a is equal to 6 minus 2n. So a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7. So 2 7s are 14, 6 minus 14 is equal to minus 8. So a is coming minus 8. Now the next ninth part is a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, s is equal to 142, find d. So a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, s is equal to 192. So formula of nth term is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 192. So n is 8, 8 upon 2, 2 into 3, 6 plus n minus 1, 8 minus 1 into d is equal to 192. So it is coming 8 upon 2 is 4, 6 plus 7d, 4 into 6 plus 7d. So 4 will shift to this side, it will divide here. So it is coming 6 plus 7d is equal to 48, 7d is equal to 48 minus 6 is 42, and d is coming 6 here. Now the last part is L is given to you 28, S is 144, and there are total 9 terms. So number of terms are given to you 9, last term is 28, and the sum of 9 terms is 144. S means sum of number of terms are 9, so total so sum of 9 terms is 144. So for last term is given to you and we have to find first term, so I can use it n by 2 a plus L. So 9 upon 2, a plus 28 is 144, a plus 28 144, and 9 upon 2 when shifted to other side we can write it as like this way, 2 upon 9. So 16 9s are 144, so n plus 28 is equal to 32, and a plus 28 is equal to 32, so a is coming 32 minus 28 is 4. Question number 4 is, how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 so on so must be taken to give a sum of 636? So a given AP is a 9, 17, 25, so A is 9, D is the second term minus first term, 8, Sn is 636. We have to find number of terms, we have to find n here. So Sn formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute a and d here. So 9 2 is 18 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 636. Now we see 2 is common, we can write it as n by 2 18 plus n by 2 8n plus 10. So from the numerator 2 is common here, so we will take common 2 here, so 2 and 2 will cancel out. N into 4n plus 5 is equal to 436, so it is coming 4n square plus 5n is equal to 636. So when 636 is shifted to the left side, it is coming 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. And now again it is a quadratic equation, we will solve it by the splitting middle term, and its method is we will multiply first and third. So 636 into 4 is coming 2544. Now after that we will do the prime factorization of 2544, and this is a hit and trial method here. When combine all the first 5 factors, it is coming 48 and last is 53. So 53 minus 48 is coming middle term, and when we will multiply it is coming 2544. So middle two terms are 53n minus 48n. So when we will take common from the first two, it is coming n into 4n plus 53 minus 12 is common from the last two, so it is coming 4n plus 53. So 4n plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. So when we'll solve, it is coming n is equal to minus 53 by 4 and n is equal to 12. So n number of terms can't be the negative, so therefore n is equal to 12 is the right answer here. Question number 5 is, the first term of NAP is 5 and the last term is 45. So A is 5 here, last term, that is AN or L we can write is 45, SN is the 400. So first and last term is given to us, so we can use n by 2 a plus L is equal to 400. So we have to find the number of terms and common difference. So n and d we have to find out here. So n by 2, 5 plus 45, it is coming 50. So 50 and 2 will cancel out and 25 is left here. 25 will shift to another side, it is number of terms are coming 16. Now an is equal to 45, so formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute n here and a here. So after solving, it is coming d is equal to 8 by 3. So that's all for these questions, and next questions I will discuss in the next video. Thank you.